Threading your needle 101. Let's do it. Here are the things you need to thread a needle: scissors, thread, your needle, and we'll get to that other little dime looking thing in a couple minutes. First things first, you're going to figure out how much thread you need. If you're sewing just a little hole in your pants or your shirt, you're probably not going to need that much thread. Right here is where your needle will be. Shout out to my tomato for being my handy assistant today. As I turn this tomato side to side, you can see a little hole at the top of the needle. That's called the eye of the needle. Now you're going to take your needle, you're going to put the thread in your mouth and get it nice and wet and smooth it out on the end. I don't know why, but Cinderella's mice taught me how to do that, so I'm just following suit. Hold about a ½ inch away from the end of the thread, and then just wiggle it and maneuver it, and hopefully it slides right through that needle. If you're having some trouble and you think that the end of the thread is fraying, just simply give the end of the thread a trim. Got it. You can see that there's just a tiny little tail sticking out of that needle. Now pull it through. Once you get it through, if you get it through, pull the two ends of the thread together and tie a double knot on the end. You are ready to sew. If you're having a hard time, you can run to the craft store and get one of these guys. It's a needle threader. It looks like a little dime, and then it has a little wire diamond at the end. And I'm going to show you how to thread a needle with this guy. You're going to take that dime looking part and you're going to stick the wire diamond through the top of the needle. Here it is. Now you're going to put the end of the thread in your mouth, and then you're going to stick the thread through the little diamond. You don't want to pull it too far through the diamond, just maybe like 2 inches, 3 inches. And once it's through, you're going to pull on that dime part. Keep pulling until that thread comes all the way through that needle. Got it again. Now put the two ends of thread together, tie a little knot, and you are ready to sew.